Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving into troubleshooting your Lorenzo Diaz Carretero equipped with a Kovold VK140 that won't start due to non-engine issues. Let's take this step by step. First, ensure you have the right tools handy. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for electrical testing, and compressed air for cleaning. Begin by checking the battery connections. Often, a loose or corroded connection can prevent your machine from starting. Use your Phillips screwdriver to tighten any loose terminals. If you see corrosion, clean it off with a mixture of baking soda and water. This is crucial for ensuring a solid electrical connection. Next, let's inspect the ignition switch. Turn the key and listen for any clicks. If you don't hear anything, the ignition switch may be faulty. To test it, use your multimeter. If you're not comfortable doing this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out. Moving on, let's check the fuses. A blown fuse can interrupt the electrical circuit, preventing the starter from engaging. Locate the fuse box, typically found near the battery or under the dashboard. Remove the cover and inspect each fuse. Replace any that appear burnt out. It's a simple fix that can save you a lot of hassle. Now, let's look at the starter relay. This component is responsible for sending power to the starter motor. If the relay is defective, the starter won't engage. To test it, you can use your multimeter again. If you're unsure about testing the relay, remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so we can take care of this for you. If everything looks good so far, it's time to clean the internal components. Dirt and debris can cause electrical issues. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the ignition area, battery terminals, and fuse box. This will help ensure that all connections are clear and functioning properly. After cleaning, reassemble everything and try to start the machine again. If it still doesn't start, it might be time to consider that the issue could lie deeper in the system. In such cases, we recommend you get a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, if the problem persists and you're feeling overwhelmed, remember our services: no calls, no travel. We make the process as easy as possible for you. Simply reach out, and we'll handle the rest. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot your Kovold VK140 effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.